Just a quick video today, guys. There's been an announcement today from the government that from next year, any new homes that are built will have to have an EV charger built into them. I think this is fantastic news, and it's going to help address what is a fairly shocking shortage of EV charger availability in this country, in my personal opinion. I don't want to get into politics. We don't do politics on my channel, but the government has said that. So the government have said that from next year and then every year on an ongoing basis, there'll be up to 145,000 new chargers installed in the UK. Any new build supermarkets, new workplaces, buildings undergoing like fairly considerable renovations will have to have an EV charging station installed. Simple as that. This is fantastic news, it really is, because what it means is more people will be able to charge from home. Fewer people will queuing up for the 2 chargers that are available at Tesco's and the 4 that are available at the service station and that kind of thing. It's just a small step, it's a really positive step. Been lots of new properties built around my part of the world in the last year or two, and none of them came with EV chargers as standard. You're talking about hundreds or thousands of homes that have been built recently without EV chargers, and that is all about to change. All the new home building that's going on, and there are loads of new property being built at the moment, and plans for thousands of new homes to be built on an ongoing basis. They'll all have an EV charger. I mean, that's fantastic news. People like Jag and Volvo are going to be EV only from 2025. I think Ford will be EV only from 2030. I think Audi will be EV only from around a similar time. Obviously, recently there's been a huge increase in EV sales and plug-in hybrid sales. And all these people need to charge their vehicles. And this is just going to make it that bit easier. Whether you've got one of these new homes or not. Obviously, if you've got a new house and there's an EV charger there when you turn up, brilliant, job done. For those of you that don't have that, it means there'll be fewer people queuing up to use the EV charger at Tesco and the EV charger at IKEA and the 2 that are available at the service station. So I think it's a really positive step. It's not going to address the issues for people that do regular long journeys. People like sales reps that are sometimes doing a couple of thousand miles a week as part of their normal day job, and there are thousands of people doing that still. It's not going to dramatically help those people, but it may mean when they stop at a charging station somewhere, there are a few people queuing up, as I said. So that can't be anything other than a positive step. It's not a cure, it's just one little step, but I think it's a really, really good one. Just going to put a little graphic up on the screen that BBC have got on their website today, and it just highlights really how the sales of EVs and plug-in hybrids have gone up so much in just the last few years. As you can see, there are over 100,000 EVs sold in the UK during 2020 and probably about 70,000 plug-in hybrids. If you compare that to sort of 2016, when you're looking at about, I don't know, what's that, about 10,000 EVs and sort of 25,000 plug-in hybrids, that's a huge difference. And the charging infrastructure has improved since then, but only by a fraction, it really has. As an example, when I stopped at Warwick Services the other month with that Tesla that I did a review on, link up there, there were 8 Tesla chargers and 4 chargers for other EVs. I mean, that's just not enough. That's a major service station on a major UK motorway. That is absolutely scandalous. And people say, well, you can go and charge at Tesco's or something, but they usually have like 2 chargers. Just a quick update there. Guys, don't know if you've used Quidco before, but Christmas is coming up. I'm going to put a referral link pinned as the top comment and in the video description. Now, to date, we're using Quidco. I've earned 2,800 quid. And all Quidco is, it's like if you use my Amazon link, basically. If you use my Amazon link, you click on that and buy something at the normal price, and Amazon gives me a few pence back. What Quidco does, actually, they're quite a bit more generous than Amazon with their paybacks. But what you do is you log into Quidco, say you're going to buy something from Argos, you go into Quidco, you click through to Argos and it tracks that you came from there, and then you're going to get cash back on the thing you bought. So up to 40 quid cash back on some items, but generally it's 4.8%. So essentially, if you go and buy your kids the new Forza game or something for Christmas and you click through Argos, you're going to get 4.5% of that back as cash back. That's it. You pay the same price, but they give you some of it back. You can then take it from Quidco as cash, or you can have it as an Amazon voucher, or lots and lots of different things you can do with it. I just take it as cash every time. I've had £2,800 from that. Now, it doesn't cost you anything, by the way. If you use my link, once you've earned £5 in cash back, Quidco will pay you £10. How good is that? So you earn a fiver cash back, they'll give you 15. They'll give me something as well as a thank you for introducing you to Quidco. Been using this for years and I've earned over 2,800 quid. There is no more to it than that. You log in, you click through the thing and you go to the final site and buy whatever it is you need. Hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Just very, very quick. It's a hot off the press today, so I just want to do a little video and tell you about it because I know lots of people that watch the channel are very interested in EVs. I know some of you aren't, so that's probably not the video for you, but there we go.